wait, where are you going?
Nothing.
Were you gonna get a rock?
Yeah.
Let me see. Which rock? That one? I like that one. Do you want to give a rock to Jack too?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're very nice.
Hi.
Maybe we give it to...
Careful, Shane. Do you want me to hand it to you?
Yeah.
You are so
Those are
nice.
my best
Thanks,
idea.
buddy.
Jack's still little to play with rocks.
He's little, yeah. But I'll show it to him.
Isn't it cool, Jack? Yeah. What do you think? See, Shane was sharing with you. Cool. Oh, you said cool. You said cool.
So, okay, you know what's neat about that house?
Yeah.
Like, optically, it looks like it's so much more than it is.
Pretty rock.